Hey everyone, today we will be looking at the Mova Z50 Ultra, a fully automated robot vacuum cleaner that can perform both wet and dry cleaning with little assistance from a person. This type is notable for its full self-maintenance system, which eliminates the need for human involvement by returning to its base after cleaning, washing and drying its mop with hot air, rinsing its rollers with clean water, emptying the dustbin, and getting ready for the next cycle. The robot vacuum itself and a sizable docking platform that manages all maintenance tasks are included in the Mova Z50 Ultra kit. The base has a dustbin and distinct tanks for clean and dirty water. This implies that you won't need to touch the robot to vacuum, mop, or recharge it. To avoid bacterial growth and offensive odors, the base station washes the mop with hot water and then dries it with warm air after each cleaning session. LiDAR navigation, a front RGB camera for sophisticated dirt identification, and a low-profile body are all features of the robot's design. A vacuum channel, height sensors, and a special roller washing module that functions similarly to those in professional floor scrubbers are located beneath. To make sure no debris is overlooked, a side brush is extended to sweep around walls and corners as cleaning starts. The Z50 Ultra's unique wet cleaning mechanism is its most notable feature. Mova's method uses a roller washer on a tracked drive that runs forward and backward, in contrast to the majority of robots that use two spinning mop pads. Even grout lines and textured flooring are thoroughly cleaned thanks to this motion, which imitates that of professional scrubbers. By collecting spent water separately and continuously moistening the roller with fresh water, its Hydro-Os mopping technology keeps soiled liquid from spreading across the floor. Heating water to about 60 degrees Celsius, uniformly spraying it on the roller, scrubbing the floor, scraping and cleaning the roller, gathering filthy water, and fluffing the mop fibers to keep them soft are all steps in the wet cleaning procedure. The Mova Z50 Ultra is one of the strongest robot vacuums available when it comes to suction. It provides suction power of up to 19,000 pascals, which is a significant increase above the average of most mid-range robots, which are between 5,000 and 6,000 pascals. Another area in which Mova shines is air filtering. To capture small dust and allergens, the Z50 Ultra has a multi-layer technology that includes a mesh pre-filter and HEPA filter. The robot automatically empties its onboard trash into a bag inside the base after cleaning is complete. This bag may collect debris for roughly 2 months of routine cleaning before needing to be replaced. The 6,400 mAh battery that powers the Z50 Ultra can clean up to 140 square meters or 140 minutes continuously on a single charge. However, its AI-enhanced navigation is where the real intelligence is found. The vacuum actively analyzes different sorts of filth in real time with the aid of its RGB camera. Using its camera, the Z50 Ultra can identify pets and alter its behavior in their presence, slowing down, making less noise, and avoiding their beds or bowls. The Mova Z50 Ultra is essentially a significant step toward completely self-sufficient house cleaning. It maintains itself in between cycles, vacuums and mops at the same time, and adapts to the surroundings without human input. Refilling the water tanks or changing the dust bag is all that is required. Roughly every 2 months, the Z50 Ultra is one of the most comprehensive and self-sufficient cleaning systems on the market today because of its high suction power, clever AI recognition, and cutting-edge wet cleaning technology. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.